Hey guys, Daniel with Dent Vanish Paintless Dent Removal. Just want to show you guys what we're working on today. This is a 2013 Hyundai Genesis with some pretty bad damage here on the fender. I guess the gentleman was sideswiped as he was pulling out into the street, and somebody came up and swiped his fender here. So what we're going to do is we're going to attempt to repair this to about a 95% using paintless dent removal. And that means no paint, no bondo. Basically what we're gonna do is we're gonna push the bulk of this damage from the back side of the panel, and we'll go ahead and do some tap down to kind of smooth everything out. But we just wanna show you guys a quick video of what we can do with paintless dent removal. Thanks for watching.